In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your domain using Hostgator in just 5 minutes. We all know that managing your domains can be a bit of a hassle, especially if you're new to web hosting, but worry not because we're going to make it as straightforward as possible. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to the Hostgator website. If you're not familiar with Hostgator, it's one of the leading providers of shared reseller VPS and dedicated web hosting. Now once you're on the homepage, look towards the top of the page for the sign in button and click on it. This will prompt you to access your personal Hostgator account where all the magic happens. After you've successfully logged in, you should find yourself on the Hostgator homepage. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your website, from domain names to hosting options. Next, you'll want to locate and click on the Domains tab. This is where Hostgator consolidates all aspects of domain management, making it your go-to spot for anything related to your web addresses. Once you're in the domain section, you should see a list of all the domains you currently manage. For our next step, navigate to the settings area of the domain you wish to transfer. This section allows you to adjust your domain configurations and manage its various settings. Now keep an eye out for a link or button that says transfer or move domain. Clicking this will guide you through the process of initiating a domain transfer. It's pretty intuitive, and Hostgator provides a series of prompts that will walk you through the transfer procedure. You might be asked to enter some details or confirm your intentions regarding the domain move, so make sure to follow along carefully. Remember, transferring a domain involves pointing it towards a different hosting provider or changing its registrar, so double checking each step is always a good idea. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently transfer your domain without breaking a sweat. I hope this guide has been helpful and has made the process a whole lot easier for you. If you have any questions or run into trouble along the way, Hostgator's support is just a message away and always ready to assist. Thanks for tuning in and happy hosting.